Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix there's a billing problem with a family member previous purchase. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you want to purchase something from App Store and it's showing the error like this, now I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page. Now let me tell you that if you want to fix this type of error, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings app, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID panel. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to family sharing, and if you are the organizer of the family, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to change your payment method, or you have to remove and re-enter it again. Okay guys, and if you are not a family organizer, then what you need to do guys, just simply ask your family organizer that he has to change his payment method. Okay guys, so if you are a family organizer, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on payment and shipping. From here guys, you have to go to payment section, and just simply you have to delete your payment method or re-enter it again. And if you have another payment method, just simply you have to put that payment method, and you can easily fix this problem. Okay guys, and once it is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Safari here. So once you have opened it guys, just simply you have to search for getsport.apple.com. So you have to search for this, and after that you can see this type of interface. From here you have to select your gadget like this. After selecting the gadget guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to subscription and purchases. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap update payment method or enable to purchase, or tap on continue. From here guys, now wait some seconds. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on call, and now you can call the Apple support team and tell them that you are facing the error like this. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.